While mechanical boards are loved by typists and gamers for their tactile precision and reliability, audiophiles crave equal depth in their listening gear. High-fidelity headphones offer immersive sound experiences rooted in clarity, balance, and soundstage. This guide evaluates each headphone on sound signature, driver clarity, comfort, build quality. List 1. Sennheiser HD650. Audiophile, high-res, open-back dynamic. The Sennheiser HD650 remains a legendary choice in audiophile circles. Praised for its smooth, expansive soundstage, it delivers balanced mids and articulate highs, with a touch of warmth in the bass that many users find pleasingly musical. Sound guys. Reviewers highlight its exceptional comfort and long-wearing design. Perfect for extended listening sessions. Reddit. List 2. Sennheiser HD560S. Over-the-ear audiophile with neutral frequency response. A more budget-friendly option, the Sennheiser HD560S delivers excellent reference tuning with a neutral, detailed sound signature. Sound Guys calls it a rock-solid choice for desktop listening. Headphones.com. While its build materials are modest, the headphones shine in clarity and tonal accuracy without coloration. With a lightweight frame, 240 grams, and easy drivability, they excel for analytical listening and everyday use with computer audio setups. List number. Beats Studio Pro. Wireless Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones with personalized spatial audio. The Beats Studio Pro steps into the audiophile space equipped with active noise cancellation, wireless Bluetooth, and personalized spatial audio. While not traditionally audiophile, closed back, wireless, they deliver immersive sound tailored to user preferences. Great for commuting, content consumption, and casual listening. These headphones focus on convenience, powerful bass, and clarity. List number. Sony MDR7506 Professional Large Diaphragm Headphone. Excel in the studio staple category. The Sony MDR7506 is renowned for its durable build and flat analytical sound. Sweetwater reviewers praise its comfort, lightweight, and accurate response for music production and vocal monitoring. Tech Radar. Known for its detailed mids and tight highs. List 5. Philips SHP 9500 Hi-Fi Precision Stereo Over-Ear Headphones. Budget open back. The Philips SHP 9500 consistently receives accolades as a budget audiophile classic, offering surprisingly high-fidelity sound at an affordable price, $70 to $80. It features a wide and immersive soundstage, crisp highs, clear mids, and a lean bass response. HiFiVision.com